Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately in Settings because the layout change is a software setting. Open Settings, choose Time and Language, then Language. Once there, select the language you use, English United States for standard Qwerty, and click Options. You add a keyboard under Keyboards, pick the US Qwerty entry or another Qwerty variant you need. This step changes how your keys map, which matters because physical key positions versus software layout determine the characters you type. Make the choice now so the system recognizes. Once you've added a Qwerty keyboard, you must configure default so Windows uses it. Go to Advanced Keyboard Settings and set your new keyboard as the override for default input method. This forces Qwerty for all apps. If multiple layouts exist, remove the ones you don't want. That prevents accidental switching with shortcuts. Also check language bar options and assign a simple shortcut or disable Win plus space if it conflicts. This ensures consistent typing across apps and explains why defaults and clean lists matter. Finish by testing. Open Notepad and type to confirm Qwerty mapping. If characters still mismatch, use the on-screen keyboard to see the current layout visually. That shows whether the issue is software or hardware. If needed, restart Windows. Sometimes the input override needs a reboot. One key troubleshooting tip. If the layout still behaves oddly, update or reinstall the keyboard driver via Device Manager, and verify the language icon on the taskbar to switch back to the intended Qwerty layout. That usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.